Happy Friday, everybody. Episode 36 of Briar's Biz, presented to you by Briar.io. Full video in the Patreon. As always, get over there. Join us. $2 a month. The newsletter, the daily vlogs in full. Let's get into this episode. First, we look at the market. Today has been a volatile day. Bitcoin down 2.3%, $11,565. Ethereum down 4.7%, $377.94. And Chainlink somehow up 3.5% after dropping to $9.38. Chainlink with a 60-something cent rally now has put it back over $10, $10.01 currently. So wild day across the market. A lot of the alts held strong, though, which is pretty interesting. With Bitcoin right around where we needed to close for the weekly, 11.6K is sort of that magic number. It'll be the second highest weekly close on Bitcoin in the history of the asset. So big days ahead here, as we're only 2 days away from that weekly candle, or that weekly candle close. Let's get into a couple stories here. First story from CoinDesk, first mover. Kyber CEO predicts 2020 transactions at $3 billion as DeFi token soars. This is from Daniel Kari and Omkar Godboil. If they could have a little bit more difficult names. The fast-growing realm of decentralized finance known as DeFi has produced some of the year's richest returns for cryptocurrency investors, from Compound's Comp tokens to Chainlink's Link, our beloved Link. So it may come as a little surprise that Kyber Network's KNC token has jumped eightfold in price this year, giving it the largest market capitalization among decentralized exchanges tracked by the data firm Masari. You were reading First Mover, blah, blah, blah. First mover, how would you explain Kyber to the uninitiated? The short version is to say it's a liquidity pool liquidity protocol for anybody anywhere. The longer version is we are building an on-chain liquidity endpoint in which contributors integrate to either contribute liquidity or utilize liquidity. So why has the KNC token done so well? People look at the growth of Kyber and people look at the ecosystem that we are building. I think so far we have one of the biggest ecosystems